Welcome to the online version of the Mount SAC Library's Finding and Evaluating Articles workshop. This covers the 12 things that you need to know about completing this workshop online. Number 1. The workshop has a lot of mini video lectures. These are YouTube videos, so you don't have to download anything, just hit play. If you want to make the video fill your screen, click on the full screen button in the lower right corner. To return the video to its original size, click on the same button again, or hit the Escape key on your keyboard. So if you want to see a larger view of this video, try clicking on the full screen button in the lower right corner of this video now. I'll wait a few seconds for you to click on this button. Number 2. Buttons for you to find your way through this workshop are below this video. Number 3. When you're ready to start this workshop, click on the Section 1 button to begin. But if you're using the Canvas app on a mobile device, start from the Modules view instead. Number 4. You must complete the workshop in order the first time that you do it. If you try to skip ahead, you'll see information on what you need to do before you can access that area of the workshop, and you'll see a link to the first thing that you need to do in order to move forward. Number 5. If you're completing the workshop in one sitting, the easiest way to move through the workshop is to click on the Next button on the bottom of each page. If you're using the Canvas app on a mobile device, you might not see the Next buttons unless you start from the Modules view. Number 6. If you've only completed 1 or 2 sections and need to come back later to finish the remaining sections, you can use the buttons on the workshop homepage to access the sections that you still need to do. The buttons to all of the workshop sections are right below this video. Number 7. Another way to move around this online workshop is to use the Modules view. If you click on Modules on the left side of your screen, you'll see an outline of the entire workshop. You can see links to every page of this workshop, including links to the quizzes and to the assignment. You still need to complete the workshop in order, but once you've completed a page or a quiz, you can jump back to it anytime if you want to review. The Modules view is a great choice if you completed part of a section and need to take a break, come back later, and pick up where you left off. If you're not sure where you left off, you'll see green check marks next to the items that you've already completed. And remember that if you're using the Canvas app on a mobile device, you should start the workshop by going to Modules, then click on Section 1, then click on Page 1.1, which is the first page of the section. Number 8. There are practice quizzes and real quizzes. The practice quizzes are usually only 1 or 2 questions and are just for you to see how you're doing. Since they're practice, you just need to try to answer the questions to move forward. The real quizzes are at the end of each section. You need to pass the real quizzes in order to move forward. The good news is that the quizzes are pretty short, you can take them up to 3 times, and your highest score is the one that's recorded. Number 9. There's a short assignment that asks you to find 2 reliable articles on any research topic of your choice using a library database. You can see a preview of the assignment and all of the questions that you'll need to answer by clicking on the Search Practice Assignment button. You might want to look at that preview early on so you know what you'll be working on. You must complete the workshop sections and quizzes before you can actually submit the assignment. You'll receive proof of completing this online workshop after you have submitted the assignment. Number 10. If you're new to Canvas, which is the system that Mount SAC uses for its online classes, you can click on the Canvas Orientation button, which is below this video. There's a lot of Canvas help there. Number 11. At any time, you can click on Home on the left to get back to this home page. And you can click on Modules to get back to the list of all of the workshop pages. This menu on the left is always here. And number 12. If you have any questions, click on the Contact Us button and choose how you want to get help. Now if you're ready to get started, click on the Section 1 button to begin. Or if you're using the Canvas app on a mobile device, go back to Modules and click on Section 1, then Page 1.1. And don't forget to click on the Exit Full Screen button in the lower right corner of this video, or hit the Escape key on your keyboard to return the video to its original size if you've set it to full screen.